Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with us. In this video, we are going to focus on how to simplify surds. We have been given approximate value of square root of 3 and square root of 30, and we have been asked some values. Now let us go through our example. In the first example, we have been asked to find out the square root of 300. Now we write this 300 as a product of 3 and a perfect square number. So 3 times 100. Now we use the first property of the surd, and we'll split out this as root 3 times root 100. Now we have been given the value of root 3. We have to substitute this here, 1.732 approximate value. And as 100 is a perfect square number, so square root of 100 will be 10. After simplifying, we'll get the answer 17.32. Let us move to the second example. We have been asked to find the value of 3000. Here also we write 3000 as the product of 30 and perfect square number 100. Now as first property of the surd, of simplifying the surd, we have to split this into square root of 30 into square root of 100. So square root of 30 we have been given approximate value as 5.477 and square root of 100 is 10. So after simplifying, we'll get the answer 54.77. Now in the third example, we have been asked to find the value of square root of 120. We express 120 in terms of the product of two numbers, where one of the number is a perfect square number. So we can write 30 times 4. 120 as 30 times 4. And now first property of surd we have to apply here, root 30 times root 4. So we have been given the value of root 30 approximate value, so 5.477, and 4 is the perfect square number, so root 4 will be 2. After simplification, after multiplying, we'll get the answer 10.954. In this way, you can simplify surds very easily. Stay tuned for the more videos and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.